Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl EM. So I know I've been gone for a very long time, but listen, I got some scoop and I need to tell you guys about my dilemma, which is very stressful, but it's fine. We got over it. So today is the day before the girls' birthday, period. And we're just going to a family function and nothing really hectic. It's very hot, so no makeup, just gonna look all cutie. So stay tuned for the day. And it's not really nothing big, guys. Honestly speaking, I don't even know what we're gonna do when we get there. Honestly, I feel like we're just gonna get there and eat and just look cute. But yeah, stay tuned. Love you guys. They almost beat your nyash girl at somebody's wedding.
Somebody's wedding now.
Because private number, hello? Is that
Singabamkhulu. Sesehla uthi kudala sifike. Ngenyawo.
guys, we got a tradition for more than what? Close to 24 years.
21.
No, I'm saying the tradition has been more than 24 years. More than 22 years. About to be 24 years. Sana. So, another day, another birthday. Asambe siyababona. Tip. Let's go out. Zonke. Bonke. Sanmona. Every time you call is that man. Kali kokolo. Scrumptious yummies. You guys know a black meal never goes without a bra. Period. Kali man. Kali kokolo. Happy. Let's see. Woo! Say cheese! Yay! 3, 2, 1.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Don't think I could forgive myself. I'm sorry for the ways that I used you. And I could care less right now, but you know you hurt me pretty good too. Yeah, we made each other bleed, and we
Let's go. Presents and cards are here. My world is filled with cheer and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes are shine the town they do. This Christmas friends and cards are here. My world is filled with cheer and you. This Christmas, and as I look around, your eyes are shining down the This Christmas, the fire side is blazing bright, and we're caroling through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me. Whoa. Oh, shake a hand now.
Something more if you would just stay here for a while. Just look in my eyes. There's more to us than we can show, and I think you know we can turn off every filter. So let's just shut off the feet. Just let us be who we are. Can you feel my heart is beating? I think I want something real. Just show you unfiltered love. Let me show you.
I'm about to release. I'm just trying to get the cheese. Take the baby mama overseas. Save money for my son's fees. Get in the studio for some weeks. I took a walk and I got me some sneakers.